Hurricane Helene update. Winds are definitely picking up. Alright guys, let's go see what it's like out front. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Ellie. See, the palm trees are really blowing. You can hear them. We're out checking on the winds, and it appears it's getting windier, but we're starting to get hurricane hair. Brodie's got hurricane hair too. Oh, we have sticks coming down. This is very exciting. We've started yard cleanup already. Good boy. All right, let's go see what's going on out front. Come on. Come on, Ellie. So, I don't know if you can see them, but there's so many dragonflies. Come on. Let's go check on the wind. Come on, bro. Come on, Brodie. Okay, bring your stick. Bring your stick. Good boy. Good boy. Take it to the garbage can, but we put them inside, so that won't work. Well, that's good though. You're doing a great job with yard cleanup. Come on, let's go this way. While we're out front, checking out the increasing wind, the sky's getting a little cloudier and heavier. So I think the rains will be coming in pretty soon. What do you think? I think Brodie's happy that it's raining sticks already. Yeah, listen to that. No, stay away from that stuff. No, leave the Spanish moss. No, that got bugs in it. You got your stick still? Oh, you gave up on that one. Okay. See what the wind's doing. Palm trees are the coolest thing for demonstrating what the wind speeds are and directions. And there goes our fearless UPS driver. What do you think? I think we can have a little more time out here before the rain starts. Okay, go exploring. Oh, it's always time to squish in one more wrestling match before the rain begins. There it is. What do you think, Ellie? Yeah, it smells different, doesn't it? Oh, that's Maddie. It's the second time I've done that. Geez, Mom's starting to get hurricane brain already. All right, let's go check on Ellie, who's still out in the backyard. Okay, good girl.